Hi guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I'm your gardener friend Ruchi, and today I'm going to show you how to collect seeds from your cilantro plants. I grew all this cilantro from seeds last November, and in February we started pruning them. And February, March, April, 3 months, we thoroughly enjoyed them. And now it's May, and they have started to bolt, meaning now they are developing flowers and the seeds are forming. Let me show you a close up. Here, you can see the seeds. In most of the branches now the seeds are developing, and they're still green, but as they age they'll turn brown and you can save them, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Although these plants still have a lot of green leaves, so you can still prune them, but their stems are pretty hard at this point, so you have to separate out the leaves and they are still fragrant. So this is what I do. As my older cilantro plants, they start to become leggy and they start to dry up, I plant new cilantro plants. And by the time my old ones are dead, these are ready. And this is how, I just keep getting cilantro almost the whole year long, except, in harsh summers. About 2 weeks have passed, and now you can see that these plants have, seeds all over. Some of them are turning brown, but some of them are still green. So I'm going to just leave them over and wait for them to dry up. I'm still watering the plants because, they still have some leaves which I keep picking. One more week has passed. So if you look at these coriander seeds, they're almost ready. Now, few of these are brown, which can be picked up, but I'm not going to pick them one by one. When most of them are brown, then I'm going to pick them up. So if you look at these seeds now, they are brown. Most of them are completely brown. Some are still green, but this is time that we remove them from the plants, because if you leave them here on the plant, very soon they'll just scatter. So then you will not get the chance to uh, get them. So if you look at this branch, this is still green, so I'm going to leave it for now, but these are completely brown. Let me show you the close up. So look at all these seeds. We can just remove them or leave them inside just with these branches. If you rub it slightly, they are all coming out, but you can just leave them like this inside and let them dry a little bit, and then remove them from the stem, because then all the ones which are not 100% dry, they'll dry too, and then you can save these seeds. So I'll show you. So exactly 1 week has passed, and if you look at these now, they are all brown, and I've just left it like this inside the house, and now we can just rub it a little bit. So maybe I want to do it in here. Just rub it a little bit and all the seeds will come out. Look at all these seeds. So for the next season, summer is not a good time for cilantro because they bolt very quickly. But come fall, I'll sow these seeds again, and we'll have a nice cilantro crop again. So obviously you can always go out and buy these seeds from the store, but I believe in sustainable gardening. If you have plants and they are producing seeds, then why not save them and just use them in the next season? So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.